Hey everybody, welcome to week 5. We are going to be continuing working towards the argument paper this week. So let me go ahead and go through your to-do list. All right, so as usual, I want to start looking at the syllabus. We are focused on MLA this week, so we're going to be looking at how to do the basic MLA format. Many of you will already be somewhat familiar with MLA from high school papers. So it should partially be a review, but of course, sometimes reviewing things is almost harder than learning them from scratch. So you can do this. I promise you can. You've got several little assignments this week. MLA page format quiz, MLA citation format quiz, and an MLA transformation assignment. So let's go to the module. And we're going to go ahead and close week 4. So for this week, you've got 2 resource pages. The argument essay is going to be formatted in MLA using Microsoft Word. So this week, you're looking at how to set that up. You're also going to note on here that if you're using a Mac, and I have a Macintosh, you still need to either do your work in Word, which you have free access to as a Lake Sumter student, or if you do want to use Pages, the program that Apple has that is similar, you can do that, but you do need to then save the document as a Word compatible file before you submit it. And so there's a video about how to set it up. There's a video about how to put a Word online doc if you're using the online 365. There's a video about how to do it in Google Docs if you prefer to use Google Docs. And then there is a link to the library guide. Our library has tons of information about MLA formatting and documentation. And of course, as it mentions here, you are welcome to have this page open while you take the quiz. It's not a trying to catch you out and not knowing something. But then we of course also have here some extra resources for you. So there's a lot of things to look at before you start the actual graded assignments. Once you've done those resources, you can go ahead and take the page format quiz, and then you want to go through the second set of resources before you take the citation and do the MLA transformation assignment. So the next set, you will notice you've got another video that talks about talks in depth about the citation information in the library resources. And then we have also a couple of pages about in-text citations and works cited examples. Optional resources, you've got a sample MLA page format with all the pieces in it. Then you have MLA checklists. Those can be helpful. Title capitalization, one of those was in the previous one, but there's another there as well. When you're done with that, of course, you're going to take the citation format quiz. And again, you can have those resources open for that. And then your final assignment this week is a written assignment. So this is going to be something that you do create in Word or save in Word format, no matter what you're using to create it. And you're going to, of course, have reviewed the assignment or the resources. I'm sorry. Go to the assignment page for the argument articles response, which is one that you did last week. Cut and paste the writing in the text box into a Microsoft Word file. So the assignment that you did last week when you were just creating a piece of writing in the box, you're going to convert that into an official MLA assignment. So you don't need to write anything new. You're just copying and pasting the text, but you are going to set this up as an MLA paper. So you should have at least two, as it mentions here, you should have at least, find where you quoted or paraphrase your chosen argument article, put an MLA style in-text citation after each quote or paraphrase. So you'll have at least two in-text citations plus a works cited page. It'll only have one thing on it, which is citing the argument article, but still call it a works cited page. And then you won't have to change anything else. It's just to practice the format and citation. So you'll need to add those things, but otherwise the text itself, you should leave the way that it is. Okay, so those are your 3 assignments this week, 2 quizzes and a written assignment. But again, it doesn't require new thought. You just get to practice your newly acquired documentation skills. So if you have any questions about it over the week, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you next Monday with another Sunday or Monday with another weekly walkthrough when we will continue working towards the argument paper. So everybody have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.